catch the Anafi. I've already got it started up. I've got it in film mode, and I do have it in hand launch. What we're going to do is, my video started here. I'm just going to catch it 2 or 3 times to show you how to do it, and kind of explain to you what needs to be done in the process. Let's get it up in the air. You want to be sure that you get your hand underneath the Anafi to where the sensors can see your hand before you push the land button, and then it'll come right down to your hand and it's shut off. Get it up there, a couple of foot, 1.5 to 2 foot above you. Stick your hand under it. It just shuts off just like that. It's really easy. We'll do it again. Take it up a little bit here. I don't have very good GPS signal right now. It's in the yellow. But I guess that doesn't matter too much, because we're not going to do much here anyway. Bring it on back here. Get your hand up under it. And it moved forward on me. You just got to keep your hand under it though. We'll do it again. Even with the Xeno, you got to chase it a little bit. We'll come back here. These mosquitoes are terrible tonight. Seeing it shuts off just like that. It's really that easy. Just try it, make sure your hand's under it, and push the button after you get your hand under it, and it should come right down to your hand and shut off. You need it about 1.5 to 2 foot above your hand, and that seems to be the sweet spot, and you shouldn't have any problems at all. Anyway, I'll see you, a lot of you, on Xeno Nation on the next show. You can let me know there whether it helps you out or not. Anyway, I'm sorry the video's not better than what it is. This is my first video, so I hope it's good.